Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Gcash and signing in with your current number. This ensures continuity of your wallet and linked services. Once signed in, go to Profile Settings, change mobile number to start the official process. Make sure your new SIM is inserted and ready to receive OTPs, because you'll need verification codes. This step locks your current number for transfer and prepares Gcash to link transactions and KYC to the new mobile identity. Now, enter the new mobile number and request the one-time PIN. You'll get it on the new SIM, so keep it handy. After OTP verification, input your MPIN and follow prompts to confirm identity. This is why exact name and birth date matter, because Gcash matches KYC. If the app asks, upload clear ID photos and a selfie for biometric checks. Once submitted, the app shows a pending change status. Keep your device online until confirmation. Finish by waiting for the confirmation message. Once you receive it, sign out and sign back in with the new number to verify full access to balances and linked services. If the change fails, make sure ID data matches your registered profile, clear app cache, and retry the process. If that doesn't work, contact Gcash support with timestamps and screenshots. Finally, retain the old SIM until you see funds and billers working on the new number. This prevents losing recovery options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.